Hi everyone, my name is Polash Kumar Bora. Today I will be talking about solving some of the problems of mathematics, and this is my second video lecture. Already I have started in my first video lecture about the solutions of the problems, and this was a paper of 2019 of Assam Higher Secondary Education Council. And before that, let me apologize for giving you the wrong solution in my first video lecture. I'm extremely sorry for that. Here I will be rectifying that problem, then I will be going for our main content. Okay, before going to our main content, I would like to ask you a very simple question. Okay, how many of you know who is the person behind we are conducting this kind of exam? Just you try to find the person and know about him, because of whom we are always or on regular basis exam is being conducted everywhere. Okay, without wasting much of our time, let's go to our main content. Okay, let me consider question number E, and this was the problem which I did a mistake in my last video, so let me rectify first. Okay, what was the mistake that I have done in my last video? Let me recall that one. I considered that determinant of A inverse is equal to determinant of A. That is completely wrong. The formula is determinant of A inverse, this is equal to 1 by determinant of A, and this is the correct one. And also I need another formula to solve this particular problem, that is determinant of Ka, this is equal to K cube into determinant of A for third order matrix. Fine, these are the two important formula that will be required to solve this. If I use this formula here, so this is equal to minus 3 whole cube into determinant of A inverse, so this is equal to minus 3 cube into 1 by determinant of A after using this formula. So this is equal to minus 3 cube, and we have determinant of A as minus 9 as it is given in the problem. So minus 3 cube and 1 by minus 3 square. So this minus get cancelled out. 3 cube by 3 square gives us 3. So 3 is our correct answer. Question number G. Evaluate integration twice x f dash of x square dx. So we'll solve this problem by the method of substitution. Suppose I is equal to integration twice x into f dash of x square dx. Just remember this result. F dash of theta, in place of this we can write d theta of f theta. Okay, let us assume that x square to be theta. If I take derivative on both sides with respect to theta, then I have twice x dx, this is equal to d theta. Therefore I is equal to integration f dash of x square, in place of that I can write theta into twice x dx is equal to d theta. Why? Twice x dx I can write d theta. As I said, in place of f dash of theta I can write this, so I'll be replacing it by that one. Okay, so this is equal to integration. If I use chain rule here, then d theta will be eliminated, so we are left with d of f theta. So this is equal to integration d of x. Suppose I am supposing x to be f theta here. So this is equal to integration d of x is equal to x plus some constant here, that is known as the constant of integration. So x is f theta. I will replace it back, so it becomes f of theta plus c. Again theta is x square. I will replace it back, so it becomes f of x square plus c, and that is our answer. And this is the differential equation, and we are asked to find the order and degree of this differential equation. Okay, if you want to find the order, take out the highest order derivative, that is d2y dx2. This is the highest order derivative that is existing in this differential equation. So from here we can say order will be 2, and also we have to see the highest power of this highest order. If I see that one, the highest power is 1 for this highest order derivative, therefore degree will be 1. That is the answer. Okay, let us consider question number I. Write the interval in which the function fx is equal to cos x is strictly decreasing. Okay, first of all we need to understand what is strictly decreasing. Suppose I am considering one function fx. I am considering one function fx. This is said to be strictly decreasing if f dash of x less than 0. In our case, our function is cos x, so then f dash of x will be minus of sin x, and this is less than 0. This implies if minus of sin x is less than 0, then sin x must be greater than 0. Now let me consider these 4 quadrants, and I think you all know here AHESEC rule. I do remember by taking Assam State Transport Corporation. That means all trigonometric ratios are positive in the first quadrant. In the second quadrant, sine and its reciprocal are positive. In the third quadrant, tan and its reciprocal are positive. In the fourth quadrant, cos and its reciprocal, that is sec, is positive here. Now sin x is positive in which of these 4 quadrants? And if you observe that it is positive in first quadrant and second quadrant. If I consider from here, it will go like this and up to here. That means starting from 0 going up to pi. So from here we can say it is positive, it is positive in this interval 0 to pi. That's why the function fx is equal to cos x is strictly decreasing in 0 to pi interval. Another approach is also there, that also let me explain. Suppose I have a unit circle. Unit circle means this is of radius 1. If it is 1, then this point is 1 0, this point will be 0 1, this point will be minus 1 0, and this point will be 0 minus 1. The first value is for cos and the second value is for sine. We're not concerned about the second value, we are concerned about cos. Now if you observe from here, if it moves like this one and comes over to this position, the value of cos is decreasing 1 to 0, it is decreasing. Again from here to here you see 0 and it becomes minus 1, so it is decreasing. That means this is the portion where the cos x is decreasing. That means starting from here means 0 and going up to here it is pi. So 0 to pi is our correct answer. Okay, now question number J, and what it says, write the equation of a plane passing through ABC and parallel to XY plane. Okay, let us understand this problem by taking help of the diagram. Let us consider a three-dimensional coordinate system. Suppose this is a system where suppose this one is z-axis, this one is suppose y-axis, and this is suppose x-axis, and this is the plane xy. And let me consider one plane and which is parallel to xy plane, and suppose it passes through the point a comma b comma c. If this plane is parallel to xy plane, then it must be perpendicular to z-axis. Okay, now from here, if I draw perpendicular on z-axis, obviously this point will be 0 comma 0 comma c. So from here I can say that z is equal to c is our desired plane, and that is our answer. Okay, I'll stop here, and in my next video I'll be again solving under 5 to 6 questions. And if you have any queries or if you want to ask anything, you can ask me. And also if you want to comment, then you can comment in my comment section. At last, thank you for watching.